guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are showing you how to play Minecraft one block in skyblock. Minecraft one block. Okay, so basically one block is just one block and there is the void below you. If you fall, you die. If you break that one block, you will get again another block. You have to build your base in that and reach the ender dragon and kill it. So today I am going to show you how to install this one block. In this video I am only showing the tutorial. Next I will make a gameplay also. Okay guys, let's get started. In the Play Store you have to download one app called One Block Survival Map for Skyblock. Okay, see, we can search it. One block for Minecraft. See, it's here. It's the Steve photo with one pickaxe. Okay, then we'll just open it. Okay, see, it should come like this. Minecraft in one block. See, it is explaining you how to install it, how it is basically. See how it works, how to activate. See, they have given the whole tutorial. So it's easy. You don't need to follow the tutorial. Just comes in 2 minutes. Now let's start. Let's press this download icon. Okay. Download add on to your device. Yes. Oh no. See, now it has been downloaded. Now I am starting Minecraft. Let it load. Okay guys, Minecraft has loaded. Let's press this play, and here in the words you can see here one Minecraft in one block TR. Okay, we must press it and let it load. Okay guys, this has loaded. See, here is the holy one block. Now you must sneak or else you will fall. Okay, see, I am not able to fall. See, now let's get breaking. I am breaking it. See here. Can read all this like subtitles like this. See, it's coming. The block is regenerating. Even chests. Whoa. See here. I've got a chest. With some they have given here. Important it seems. See. Can read all of this. This book. Okay, this is the same. Okay, now this one also. Okay, next we'll just break this chest. Oh wait. They have given some bread. See, I'm breaking this. See, mobs can also appear. Your goal is to kill the ender dragon. As I said so. After going through 10 phases, there will be. See the phases: forest, cave, snowy, desert, jungle, ocean, nether, mansion, stronghold, miscellaneous. Yeah, I leave all this. See, I've got some blocks. So we just now extend our this one block. So I am going to sneak or else we will fall and lose all our items. See, I am not able to fall if I am sneaking. If you are sneaking, you will move slow. Don't worry. See, like this. See, now my blocks are all out. I don't have any blocks. Now let's break this. See, I am getting 1, 2, 3 like that. See, I've got a log. See, jungle logs, grass. Any type of block can come. Clay, birchwood. See, any type of block. Okay guys, now I've got some blocks. 10 dirt blocks, 2 jungle logs, I think so. Okay, 4 clay, and now 1 birch wood, 3 melons. Okay, I can make a clay ball. Clay. Okay, this is how you play it, guys. See, I'm going to quickly extend our base. See, it's already, I think, evening in Minecraft. Mobs can also spawn. Wait, I'll show you. See, guys, just got another chest. Whoa, so much bone meal. What is this? Blue orchids, sweet berries. That's cool. See, this one block is going to be giving us all these valuable items. So we have got to store it. By mistakenly, if we fall, we will lose all these valuable items. Okay. So to remove that, let me get this chest. Okay. Our first pig has spawned. Let's put our chest right here. If you lose this block, I don't know why it's not putting. Let this pig go away. Go. Oh shit, leave it. Okay, now it's time, I think so. Good wood planks, crafting table, and I think it's time to get our tools. Wood planks. Okay. Okay, stick. Okay, our first sword. Now here. An axe. Okay, we don't have blocks, so let's get mining again. Okay, some birch. Okay. Okay, now I think it will work like this. Oh yeah. Okay, we have got our sword, axe, and a pickaxe. You can make stone ones. Oh no. See? Now it's time to risk. Okay, this is the block. See, we are getting. Okay. It's just like normal Minecraft, but it's one block. A pumpkin, wow. Okay, I'm going to make a gameplay video. Bye guys.